Hello guys, welcome to my empty apartment tour. We're going to start with the left. We have a closet. So the first door you see is a closet. I have my cleaning supplies because I'm going to clean right after this video. But this is a nice, decent sized closet. It has space at the top and it goes in. And then right across from that closet, we have my washer and dryer. This is kind of small. This is un poquito pequeño, no?
Yeah.
Well, like compared to my parents' house, it's small. Like they have a big one, and I'm just like, oh, it's a little small, but it's okay. It's okay. I know, but it's a little small.
No, but it's perfecto para ti.
And then over here we have the bathroom. Those are the lights. We tested out the shower, so that's why it's wet. And then it's a nice bathroom. It's very nice, clean. There's a lot of shelf space. Let me show you. Like inside the medicine cabinet, it's really spacious. Right across from the bathroom, it's a little walkway. We have the kitchen. I love the kitchen island. It's big. Having a kitchen island wasn't like a deal breaker, but I feel like I just love a kitchen island, so I'm so happy I have it, and it has lights. And then over here we have the stove where I'm going to be cooking, and there's lights underneath, which I really like. And then we have a dishwasher as well, and this sink is kind of deep. Oh, I have to buy a drainer. Okay, so, and then I love this light fixture that we have going on. It's very nice. I think I need to clean it. It's a little dusty. We have a fridge. That's like not important. And then this is my living room space. Of course, it's echoey because I have no furniture. I am moving stuff in, but all my furniture comes later this week or next week. I have 2 windows. I'm in a corner unit. It's spacious enough for me. And then over there, that's just like the AC unit. I do have central AC, which is up there. And the AC is actually really, really good. And this is going to be my bedroom. There is a little surprise inside, 2 surprises. My little sisters. This is my bedroom. It's also a decent size. There's no lighting. I mean, there's like natural light, and when the sun is out, it's cloudy outside, but when the sun is out, it's so nice and very like warm. My bedroom is a decent size. I feel like it's bigger than the one at my parents' house, right, Mom? Es un poquito más grande. Or maybe about the same. And there's a big window, and this is the closet space that I really like that there is closet space, because a lot of these apartments that I toured don't have closet space. So this is really important. So I'm going to get a bed, I'm going to get a dresser and put it over there. And then I'm going to put my makeup desk. It's just an IKEA desk, nothing fancy here. And then I'm probably going to put some storage over here because I have a lot of products that I need to save for videos. So I'm probably going to put something here, like maybe Alex drawers or something nicer, or a bin. But yeah, this is my apartment. I'm super excited. Alright guys, and that concludes this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will be updating you guys on how I decorate my apartment. I'm going to do a furnished apartment tour, so look out for that. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I want to create more lifestyle content, so if you're into that, please subscribe, follow me on social media, well, only Instagram and YouTube. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. So today we have a home, I don't know if it's home, it's not really home decor haul. That's what I was going to title this video, but now thinking about it, it's more of like kitchen items, like, you know, stuff for the bathroom, and it's just not home decor. So I don't know where I thought I was like going with that. It's more of just like little stuff that I need for my apartment. I still haven't gotten everything yet. My furniture, I'm probably going to get this weekend. I'm going to get a dresser from IKEA, and also my TV stand from IKEA, and my bed from IKEA. My sofa is going to come from a online furniture store that I ordered from. What else? My TV came today. It's huge. I got an LG 65-inch. And it's pretty huge, but I thought I'm going to be living alone. I'm probably going to want to watch TV a lot. And at home, like at my parents' house, I don't watch a lot of TV because I don't know, like I just really like don't care. But since this is like my own space, I'm probably going to want to watch a lot or whenever I have time. I'm not getting cable because I don't watch cable at all. The only stuff that I watch are on like Netflix, Hulu, HBO. I have like all of those services, those streaming services. So yeah, that's what I'm going to have on my TV, no cable. But yeah, I got a 65-inch because I don't know, I just wanted to get that one. So it's actually July 2nd, it's Thursday, and my move-in date was yesterday. So I moved in a lot of stuff, like my clothes, my winter clothes, and just some of my products, I guess. I don't even know what I moved in, but I just packed a lot and I moved in yesterday. There's a fucking spider. Oh, I have to kill it. So yesterday I moved in. I mean, I haven't slept here yet because I don't have a bed, and you know, I'm comfortable at my parents' house. I don't really need to like move in. I'm not like rushing to move anywhere. It's not like I'm getting kicked out of an apartment or anything. So I moved in a lot of stuff yesterday and we cleaned the floors, which my mom was like, why did we do that when you're getting like a lot of boxes? And my Wi-Fi Verizon technician came and set up my Wi-Fi, so she was like, you have to clean your floors all over again. Anyways, I feel like I'm a little nervous. I don't know why. I guess because I'm alone in my space and it's like a little different, and I'm very excited. So let's just start because I've been talking too much. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this OXO 9-piece pop container set. I got this because my mom has this and she says that it's better to like preserve food, and it just looks cleaner and much better than having boxes. Let's see how long I keep this up because I get really lazy and maybe I'm not gonna want to put things in these boxes. But no, let's be positive. I'm going to be organized and make it all look cute. So yeah, I got this at Costco. It was only, I think, $50, and on Amazon and everywhere else it's $100. So that was good. I don't really know if I needed 9-piece, but it's okay. At least I'll have. Next, I got a Brita from, where did I get a Brita from? Bed Bath & Beyond. Sorry, that's my AC. Maybe I should turn it off. Hold on. From TJmaxx, I got this cute little avocado holder. So you can put guac in here, or if you have like leftover avocado, you can place it in here. I just thought it was cute and it was only $3. So I was like, let me get it. I got a Blue Zen essential oil set. I have a little humidifier, so I like to put oils. I actually don't use the humidifier at home because I get lazy, but I want to use it in this space. So these cute little clips are from TJmaxx and they're so cute. Like if I have any cereal, well, I'm trying to put it in those containers, those Costco containers, so maybe I really didn't need this, but who knows, like for chips or something. I got this bowl from Homegoods. It was $8 and it has like a really nice texture to it. It's just white, and I really wanted this for any like salads, or if I'm making pasta, it's good to just have in here. So, or any like fruits. Yeah, I also got this little divider from HomeGoods. It's their fridge storage bin. I actually didn't know it was fridge. My mom just put it in my car. She was like, you can use this for tea bags or like tea containers, that way you can just place it and be organized. She has something like this at home, so she was like, just get it. So I did. This is from HomeGoods as well. It was $13 and I love how it says mix, and it was just cute. Silicone tongs. These were $6 from HomeGoods. They're very cute. As you can see, they have a little design. Ow, my nail is stuck. I also got this from HomeGoods, I believe, and this is just a toilet brush. So I got this from World Market. It's a marble M&P pestle. So my mom said that this would be good if I want to like smash some garlic. I can just do it like this, or maybe avocado as well, but this is a little bit small. Maybe if I'm just making like a quick avocado toast. But this is heavy, and this was $8, and I just really like that it was sleek, nice, white and gray like marble. So yeah, and it's heavy. So this is from HomeGoods. It's La Cocina covered butter dish. It's very light, it's not heavy at all, and I'm just going to put my butter in there. It's just very simple. I also got this from HomeGoods. It's a soap dispenser for my bathroom. It's marble like, and it's just very simple and nice. I got this can opener. This was $8. I know KitchenAid, I mean, I don't know actually. I think it's a good brand, but $8 is a little expensive for this little thing. This is also from HomeGoods. It was $13, and I'm just going to put my Q-tips in here. Very sleek. This shoe rack is from Bed Bath & Beyond, And then from Amazon, I just ordered Echo Dots and Fire TV stick. I got some cleaning products from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this is Mrs. Mayer's Clean Day hand soap. I also got their dish soap and their, what is it, multi-surface everyday cleaner. So these smell so good. They're supposed to be better for you, like it doesn't have a lot of chemicals. Don't quote me on it. My parents use this at home, so I just thought I'd copy them and just get the same thing. This, I use this hand soap and I can't stop smelling my hands because it smells so good. This is the scent Rainwater. I really like this. I just had to be extra. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond as well, and I got the auto sensor soap pump. That way I don't have to, like, you know, press the pump. And it's not that I'm lazy. I know I've said a couple times that I'm lazy. I'm not that lazy, maybe just a little, you know, when I choose to be. But the reason why I wanted this is because when I'm washing dishes and like my hands are wet, I have to like pump it and then everything else gets wet. I know it's something so minor, but I hate doing that. This is also from the same store. It's the OXO brand. That way I can place my sponge in the sink and it doesn't take up space outside. That way it's just like nice and clean. I got 2 of these towels from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like a blue gray. I really like it. It's for my bathroom, obviously. It's Calvin Klein and I believe it was only $10 each, which was a steal because a lot of these towels went for like $20–30. And the way it feels, it's actually very nice and soft. It's not rough and it's not like too soft where it's going to like be linty or anything. I mean, maybe as I start using it, it'll start getting linty, but I'm not sure. This looks really good, and Calvin Klein is supposed to be a good brand. So I got 2 of these. This is a soap dispensing palm brush storage set. This is a toothbrush holder. I got it from HomeGoods and it matches with the soap dispenser. I think it's the same brand. So I got them together. A salt and pepper shaker. I got this nice tool crock to put like my spatulas, my tonsils. Do they fit? Yeah, my tonsils. My locking tongs. That way they can just be handy when I'm cooking. I swear, I feel like I'm going to do so much cooking and my family is like, Lynn, you're probably going to eat home the first 2 months because I'm really not a cook. I never really cooked at home. Like I did once in a while, but my mom cooks so good, so it's like, why would I even try it? Like she lets me, she's like, you can cook, but I'm like, but you cook better, like you have more experience. Like I don't want to try and cook, but I'm going to start cooking more, especially in my own space, because I don't want to order out a lot. Maybe once in a while, yes, but if I'm spending money on food, I actually want to go outside and eat at a restaurant. I know like with the whole pandemic we can't do indoor eating, but outdoor eating at least. So I want to save money on ordering food. I think I got this from HomeGoods, if not TJmaxx. This was $4. It's Texture Collection Company, or the brand, and I really like the texture of this. It's just very nice and sleek, and this is to put my like spatula while I'm cooking. That way like my stove doesn't get too dirty. Last thing that I have to show you guys is this. What is this? Loaf pan and a cookie sheet. I also did order pot and pan set. So if you guys subscribe and keep watching my videos, I'm definitely going to keep vlogging, and when I'm like decorating my apartment, I'm going to include or let you guys know of like the stuff that I buy, because I know a lot of you are probably curious on like the other pieces that I'm going to buy from my apartment. So when all of that like gets in and I get my furniture and everything, I'm going to do a furnished home tour, and I'm also going to like vlog around, you know, my apartment and show you guys like, oh, this is what I found at TJmaxx or HomeGoods. I really like it because it's very useful. Some of the things might be like, girl, why did you get that? But you know, it's my first apartment. I'm trying not to like spend too much, like go crazy with buying every little thing, because I feel like I just need the essentials, and then while I'm living here, see like what I need. Do I really need this, or could I save on that? So yeah, your girl gotta save now, because now I have real life expenses. I am a whole adult. Not that I wasn't an adult before, but like I'm paying rent now. I am doing a lot of things, you know, I pay my car lease and everything, all of that, but like rent, it's every month, and it's a good amount of rent. So yeah, I need to like just spend more. Like I'm still going to live comfortably. I always wanted to move out when I could still live comfortably. So of course I still need to save, but I can still treat myself to go out to restaurants. Like, I'm not going to deprive myself of anything. Please let me know if you have any questions. Maybe I'll answer them in another video or in the comments down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Have a safe weekend. Please always be safe. Don't drink and drive. I saw somebody run the red light the other day and they almost got into a car crash because there was incoming traffic. I mean, luckily, like, the person that was in front of me didn't accelerate, but if he did, it would have been over. That would have been a horrible crash. So just don't drink and drive. Don't be stupid. Life is precious. Yeah. Also, I want to thank you guys again for being on this journey with me and supporting me and always like commenting on my stuff. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to create more content. So until next time.